Hello everyone, welcome to this course. My name is Ye Zhao. I'm the lecturer of this tutorial. The topic is LTspice tutorial for beginners in electronic simulation. I'm very glad to have you here and learn about LTspice. I've been working in this course for months, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. I believe this course will be very helpful for your study and career, and I guarantee it is worth the effort. First of all, I would like to give you a course overview. This is a complete LTspice course for beginners. It is prepared for beginners who are new to SPICE, which is simulation program with integrated circuit emphasis. LTspice is developed by Linear Technology. Now it's a part of Analog Device. It is a free version of SPICE that is extremely useful and helpful in analog circuits and power electronics design. During this course, students will learn the fundamental components and the basic features in LTspice. Following the lecture, students are able to run the simulation examples in their local PC and gain significant hands-on experience and insights into analog circuit design. Why do we need this course? Because from my industry experience, LTspice has been widely used in companies in the US for many good reasons. I would like to share my 5-year LTspice experience with you. Who should attend? This course is not for everyone. It is only for people who are interested in LTspice and who are self-motivated learners. Also, students or professionals in electrical engineering are welcome to join this course. This course will cover most commonly used features in LTspice. You can finish the course in one day, which would cost you months or years if you studied by yourself. This course is designed to save your time and money. After you finish this course, I'm sure you have the confidence to put LTspice in your resume. After this tutorial, you will be quite familiar with most of fundamental components in LTspice, and I'm sure you will be able to design the circuit using LTspice in both time and frequency domain. You will be able to import the third-party models into LTspice, and you will know how to make subcircuits and hierarchy models, and how to make your design files portable with others. More importantly, you'll be able to explore more features on your own. There are a few important notes about this course. First one is we only focus on how to use LTspice, not the circuit design skills. For this reason, I only choose simple circuits as a design example to show you the features of LTspice. To really understand it, you'd better follow lectures and run every simulation file by yourself. I try to make slides self-explanatory so that you can use them for future reference. Last but not least, have fun in this class. Final words in the course introduction. In this case, in case you have a pretty complex system to simulate, for example, a complete DC to DC power converter consisting of hundreds of components, it's better to simulate subsections of your design, because simulating the entire design is not practical and could be very time-consuming. Instead, people usually only simulate a part of the circuit that interests you most. Second, simulation is not the final design. To finalize your design, you must have a prototype to prove it. That's all for this lecture. See you soon.